Greenhouse gas emissions are the reason why our global climate is becoming warmer and warmer. This is why tackling those emissions is extremely important. We track and measure emissions in 3 categories: Scope 1, Scope 2 and Scope 3. Let me show you what that means. Scope 1 emissions are direct emissions. They come from sources we directly own or control. For example, our production. We reduce Scope 1 emissions by optimizing our energy efficiency and deploying and sourcing renewable energy directly at our sites. Scope 2 emissions come from the energy we buy. They originate at another facility, for example at a power station. As we do not control those, Scope 2 emissions are indirect emissions. By transitioning to 100% renewable energy sources, we reduce our Scope 2 emissions one step at a time. Scope 3 emissions make up the by far biggest part of our emissions. They originate in our supply chain. That means that they come from our suppliers. In this case, they are called upstream emissions, and from product transport, product use and disposal, the so-called downstream emissions. To reduce these emissions, we focus, for example, on the raw materials and packaging we use. Each step we take to reduce those emissions brings us closer to our climate target, to achieve net zero by 2045.